Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing Oats nails. Don't ask me why, but I have done it on this channel previously and it works great. And a lot of you guys were saying that the baking soda gives you heat strikes and this doesn't. I'm trying to find the middle grounds for you guys, but I got these oats. These are just quicker oats, of course, but I just take them and blend them up. You'll see in the video. You'll see the complete video. I'm telling you, it's so good. Go check it out. And they came out so cute. I mixed it with a little bit of glitter, a little bit of pigment, a little bit of this, a little bit of eyeshadow. Go check it out. It'll play in just a minute. But I just want to say thank you guys so much. We literally got 1,000 people in just one day on here. So crazy. But I just want to say thank you guys so much. I also want to say that my name is Christina for all of those that are new here. I've had Christina Couture, this channel, since 2016 just about. It was created in 2016, I think. Don't quote me. But yeah, so it's been a minute. I've been doing these hacks for a minute. It's just one thing that I love on my channel. I do have a nail license. I've been licensed for 12 years, but nail hacks are just my thing. I'm just bougie on a budget. If you guys don't know, I also own a farm with my husband and we do like DIY home remodeling stuff as well. So if you want to check that out, you can get so much stuff on sale. I teach you guys how to like get cheaper windows and things that you would need to buy a house, like to build a house literally. But yeah, I do everything on a budget. I always have, and it's just something that I love to do, especially for those that don't have, you know, that can't do it. So that is just what this channel is about. That is what the other channel is about as well, but more of like home remodel, homesteading, and prepping for the future for things that we don't know what might happen. So that is just what this is all about. And I just want to say thank you guys so much. It's been amazing to see just the community that is growing. Like, you guys are my friends, yeah, my family, yeah, everything to me. If you guys have any more hacks that you guys want me to try, definitely leave the comments down below. I know you guys still want to see baking soda with glitter. I'm gonna do that. I know you guys want to see duck nails with the baking soda. I did that. I'm really excited to put that video out for you guys because it is actually the chrome powder from the Dollar Tree. And when I tell you, baby, that chrome is chroming. It is chrome. Like, I love it. It's so nice. I cannot wait to use the green one. The only thing is you can't, I will explain it in the video, but I'm going to explain it right here real quick. You cannot dry the nail completely and let it go shiny. It has to be like that matte. So I guess like a base coat would do. But either way, it's still a really good chrome. And for $1.25, you cannot beat that at all. But I love you guys so much. I'm going to leave you here to this video. And if you guys have any questions or, like I said, any hacks that you want me to try, definitely leave them down below because I'm interested in all the hacks, baby. I'm interested in saving money, coins, okay? Because things are expensive and who's wanting to pay $200 for some nails? Baby, inflation can't be that bad. I mean, if we're doing these hacks for $1.25, maybe it is. But we're not going to talk about it. So let's get into this video. I love y'all and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Let's get into this video because I'm super excited. This has been one of the videos that I've been wanting to put out for you guys because when I did it before on my channel, it was literally one of the best hacks I've tried. I'm just going to mix up some oats, and once I do that, I'm going to add my eyeshadow and some glitters just to make it a purpley color. I wanted to do blue, but then I was like, blue, I'd rather do like a fall color because we're going into fall already. Well, we're going to winter. Blue probably would have been better, huh? I wanted purple, so we ain't even going to talk about it. But we're going to blend all this up just to make it all mixed. And then we're going to go in and prep our nails. Make sure you get the clumps out so that way you have no clumping when you apply the nail glue to your natural nail, and that way when you dip, it's not clumpy at all, and it takes less to file than if it was clumpy. Now I'm just going to go in and size up my nails. These nail tips are from the Dollar Tree as well. They are the Sassy and Chic brand or B Colors, either one, but they are really good. I love these and I can't find them anywhere. I'm so sad. But you can also find the Kiss nail tips as well. They're $1.25 from the Dollar Tree as well. But these are my favorite because they're longer and they're more narrow square than they are square. And I'll go ahead and add another layer of glue to these nail tips just so that way I can have it a little bit sealed, because I was a little worried about it lifting up, but I just added a tad bit, and I'm just going to go in and file these nails to the desired shape and length that I want. I just wanted a short nail just to try it out and see how it looks. And then I'm going to go in with the dip process. This is the same thing as the baking soda. So you would put a layer of nail glue and then a layer of the oats, and you would just keep going until you get to the cuticle. Now I am starting from the free edge to the cuticle because they are a little bit longer, but if it was a really short nail, like I said, I would start from the middle all the way up to the cuticle just to build up an apex. Now you want to keep dipping until you get the desired thickness that you like. And normally my thickness is kind of like an acrylic nail. I like it to be a little bit thin at the end, but thicker on the top, just to have that apex. But it is all up to you. If you like thick nails, just keep dipping. If you like them thinner, just keep dipping or stop dipping. What? The great thing with the oats is that it makes it a little bit thicker quicker, so it's not like baking soda. You got to keep dipping until you get the desired thickness. I can dip for about 3 times maybe. As to baking soda, I have to dip about 7 to 8 times, and it just comes out really nice. As you guys can see, I just love it. So I just file, buff the nail, and make them look really nice. I did not use any primer as well, you guys. If you want to go in with a primer kind of dehydrator, I would just use alcohol and nothing else. Now I'm just going to go in and decorate the nail, which you're going to see. I take these off. These are not cute. I did not like them at all. But a lovely subscriber from here, I've actually bought a nail desk from her, and she gave me these. But I want to find a way to use them. I just didn't think they looked nice on this set at all, but I definitely love the stones. I just have to figure out how to do them. And I know they do like these teardrop or droplets, water droplet nails. What? And I want to try it, so I might try it soon and see how they come out. But I just went in with some butterflies and some stuff and some stones and just went from there. But I did not like how those stones looked on this nail set at all.
Make me go insane. You making me see, I want you to scream.
Once I got done, I just added the top coat, and my favorite top coat is the Kiss nail top coat. Now I do put about 4 or 5 layers of this just because I don't like that grainy look. But yeah, that's how they turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you guys so much.